Hello, my name is Sarah Nobles and I teach AP Human Geography at Goose Creek High School in Charleston, South Carolina. My ninth grade students conducted a week-long case study in marine critical issues. Charleston is a coastal city and our marine landscape is a part of our everyday lives. I wanted my students to explore human impacts on marine ecosystems. I wanted to generate a curiosity about marine life and help my students develop a responsibility towards protecting endangered species and to empower them with ways that they could make a difference. With this unit, we strengthened our skills of collaboration and problem solving, and we expanded our knowledge of critical species. The first thing that I did was I polled my class to discover that 99% of my students loved sushi. That poll led to a discussion on the idea of sustainability in fishing practices, especially that of bluefin tuna, which is the most common ingredient in sashimi. We watched an episode of Appetite for Destruction, eating bluefin tuna into extinction. Students had no idea that bluefin tuna were being overfished, and they were surprised that they could make informed choices when they ordered their favorite dish, and that they could even encourage others to do the same. We even went on an outing one afternoon after school to a local sushi restaurant, and they interviewed the chef. They were especially excited to hear that particular restaurant refused to serve bluefin tuna and offered alternatives. For the next 2 days, we followed the National Geographic Marine Critical Issues case study of the Apo Islands in the Philippines and the Galapagos Islands off of the coast of Ecuador. Those case studies helped us to discover dangerous fishing practices and overpopulation issues that threaten marine ecosystems and regional species. On day 4, we shifted to our local area to see if there were any critical issues that South Carolinians faced. We conducted a phone interview with the Department of Natural Resources. From that interview, we discovered that there were several areas off of our coastline that were deemed marine protected areas. There were even a few species that were protected as well. Our unit culminated in the students creating a public service announcement on one of the areas studied. One student stated, "This unit was different than anything that we've done all year. It was definitely my favorite."